Hello everybody, this is Sachin Jadhav. Welcome you to my channel. Now I am going to show you how to type a suitable letter in MS Word. If you like my video, then hit the like button, click on the subscribe button, tap the bell icon to get more notification. After opening that MS Word, you should set the ruler to the top of the left margin like this. By selecting the left alignment, you can start typing from your name, city, enter to the bank manager, enter bank name, enter city, enter. By selecting the center alignment, you can start typing reference space colon space savings bank account number, here you can type your bank account number, subject space colon space closing bank account full point, then enter. Again, by selecting the left alignment, here you can type respected sir, bar, ma'am, comma, enter the tab keyword with reference to above. Then I would like to close my above mentioned saving account number. Here you can type your account number. Due to some personal reason with immediate effect, full point, enter. One time enter the tab keyword, my passbook, checkbook and debit card containing are returned herewith, full point, enter. One time enter the tab keyword, hence I request you to please close my said account, full point, enter. One time hit the tab keyword, kindly acknowledge the same, full point, enter. Again, by selecting the right alignment, you can start typing thanking you, comma, enter. Again, you can select the left alignment and start typing yours faithfully. Enter your name. Enter date. Once you complete typing, now we will search.